How to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. If you are facing this kind of issues of Wi-Fi, you simply need to right click on Wi-Fi at bottom right corner of your window. Now click on Network and Internet Settings. Then you will land on this section. Scroll down. Navigate to Advanced Network Settings. And now look for the option of Windows Firewall. Once this menu appears, you will find Network and Internet Troubleshooter. You can easily click on it and troubleshoot your network and internet. The second step that you can follow is simply reset your network. Click on Reset Network or Network Reset and click on Reset Now. By resetting your network, you can easily fix this kind of issues of Wi-Fi connected but no internet. And with that, you are good to go. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.